Hello students, welcome to chemistry class. In the continuity of previous topic, that is chemistry in everyday life, today we are going to discuss chemicals in food. Chemicals in food, we are adding preservatives in the food to increase the shelf life of that food. So we are going to discuss that thing in this topic. So when we are adding chemicals, what did they do? They improve the appearance, taste, odor, keeping qualities and nutritive value of food. Some chemicals are added to the food and these chemicals are called food additives. So we are adding chemicals in the food and the most common chemical that we are using is your common salt and then vinegar. So they are added to food to improve the quality of food. Next is types. So the types of chemicals which we are using in food is preservatives, sweetening agents, antioxidants and edible colors. So in this video we are going to discuss about preservatives. So the food preservative, a preservative is a substance or a chemical that is added to food product to prevent decomposition by microorganism. It means your food is an organic compound and easily a bacteria can develop on it. So preservative is added to retard the growth of that bacteria. So next is the methods which we are going to use to retard the growth of bacteria. So the first method is your bacteriostatic method. So in this method, we retard the growth and action of bacteria and enzyme responsible for spoiling food. And these preservatives are also known as natural preservative. So the first natural preservative is sugar syrup. And sugar syrup is added to jams and jellies. Next preservative is salt solution or saturated solution of salt, or even common salt only is also used as a preservative. So we are using salt to preserve fishes, salt to preserve pickles. In pickles we are adding vinegar and acetic acid. It is also acting as a preservative only. Similarly, in pickles we are adding spices. So spices also work as a preservative. We are using oil to preserve pickle. So oil is also one of the natural preservative. So the next method is bactericidal method. So in this method, chemical substance added to kill microorganism which spoils food. So in this method, that microorganism which is decaying the food is killed. So first example is sodium benzoate. So the sodium benzoate is benzene ring with COONA group on it. So that is your sodium benzoate, and sodium benzoate is used as a preservative for ketchups. It is used as a preservative for soft drinks and acidic food. Even it is used as a preservative in breads and cakes also. So the next preservative is sodium metabisulfite. So the formula is Na2S2O5, and this is used as a preservative for products such as jams, squashes and pickle. And it acts as a preservative due to SO2 which is released when this compound is dissolved in water. Next is sorbic acid, and sorbic acid is long chain of fatty acid. So that is your sorbic acid, and it is used as a preservative for baked food, pickles, meat and fish product. Next is your epoxides. So here we are taking example of ethylene oxide, that is CH2 bonded with a oxygen atom, and these chemicals are used to preserve low moisture food. So it means they are generally used as a preservative for spices, nuts and dry fruit. So next is p-hydroxybenzoate ester. So in this, hydroxyl group is attached at para position, that is your OH group, and benzene ring is surrounded with a ester. So that is COOCH3, and it is used as a preservative in baked food, soft drinks, beer, olive pickles and syrups. So this is all about the preservatives, and practice the question based on this topic. And thank you for today.